Hi. Today, I'm a superhero. We're trying to find Bird Cathy. Don't worry, no problem. Wowee! That is so fun! Let's try the fun again. I don't think that's a good idea. Don't worry. Whoa! Ah! Ah! Oh, so hot! I'm on the sun! Help! Help me! Oh no! We need to call Bear Cathy. Or Dog Cathy. Yeah, that's a better name. A mission! What is wrong, Chopper Cathy? Bird Cathy landed on the sun. What? Oh my gosh! I don't want her to land on the sun. I need to catch her. I don't like when she's on the sun. Oh no, the sun's too hot. I don't want her to live on the sun. Oh no, I want her to live in Earth. Or heaven. Yeah, heaven's a good idea. Oh, we need Bird Cathy. I can fly on the sun, or I can fly to the sun. Can I fly to the sun? No. I need to fly. Oh my home. My home is very close to the sun. My home is very close to the sun. I've gotta go. Okay. Oh no, it's super hot. No, please. I don't want my feet to get burned. But I have a good idea. What? We can get the sun down. What? What are you talking about? What? How the sun has gravity? You'll see, but... Whoa! Oh no! The sun is gone! Oh, I want the sun! I want the sun to shine on me! I want the sun to shine on me! We can put the sun back in the sky. Whoa, 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 whoa! Ta-da! The sun! It's back! Hey! There's one more mission. How do we eat the sun? What? We can't eat the sun. The sun is too big. How? The sun is too hot. The sun is too hot for anyone to live on. Nobody ever been on the sun except me. I'm never going on the sun ever again. Yep. Okay, we've gotta fly home. Yay! I'm back home. Oh, yes. I forgot. Mission complete.